Today I am going to explain 2020 CET Mathematics question paper, code D4. First question. It was from integration based on partial fractions concept. Integral 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx is equal to a into log x minus 1 plus b into log mod x minus 2 plus c into log mod x minus 3 plus a. Then what are the values of a, b, c? Three x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to get the numerator of x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3, the shortcut is substitute x is equal to 1 here except at x minus 1. So value of a is equal to, put x equal to 1 here. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1 divided by except here, remaining 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2, that is equal to get value of a, substitute x is equal to 1 except at x minus 1. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 divided by 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2, that is equal to 4 by 2, 2. To get value of b, substitute x is equal to 2 except at x minus 2. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 3, minus 1. So, 7 by minus 1, minus 7. Similarly, to get value of c, substitute x is equal to x, except at x minus 3. So, 3 into 3, 9, plus 1, divided by 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. That is equal to 10 divided by 2, 5. So, values of a, b, c are 2, minus 7 and 5. So option is A, first option. Now question number 2. This is also from integration. The value of integral e to the power sin x into sin 2x dx. E to the power sin x sin 2x dx. That is equal to integral e to the power sin x sin 2x 2 sin x into cos x dx. So 2 will come out and substitute sin x is equal to t, so that cos x dx is equal to dt. So integral e power t cos x dx is dt and this t. So its value, we know that integral e power x f of x dx value, e power x into f of x minus f dash x plus f double dash x minus and so on, plus constant c. So using this shortcut formula, its value e power t into f of t is t, its derivative to 1, its derivative to 0. So O plus c. So final its value is 2 into e to the power sin x, t means sin x minus x plus c. So answer D. Question number 3. This from different integration. The value of integral minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 cos inverse x dx, that is equal to, we know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So in place of cos inverse x, write pi by 2 minus sin inverse x dx. Split this. First one, pi by 2 is constant. Integral minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2 dx minus integral minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 sin inverse x dx, that is equal to pi by 2 into integration of dx is x in between minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 minus, this function is odd function, so value is 0, because integral minus a to plus a f of x dx value is 0 if f of x is an odd function. So upper limit 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 1 into pi by 2, which results pi by 2. So option D. Question number 4. Again from integration definite. Integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. Suppose this one is equal to I. Replace x is equal to minus x, so that lower limit becomes plus pi by 2, upper limit is minus pi by 2. Cos of minus x is cos x 1 plus e to the power minus x, this becomes minus dx, that is equal to, give this minus to the limits will interchange. This becomes minus pi by 2 and upper limit pi by 2. Cos x divided by e power minus x value is 1 by e power x. So this becomes 1 plus e to the power x into e power x dx. Again, this is also equal to I, same value. Now add both the integrals. Limits are same. So integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, denominator is same, 1 plus e to the power x. Numerator, first one is cos x, second one is e power x into cos x. Take cos x common, remaining 1 plus e power x dx. These two gets cancelled. I plus I is 2i, that is equal integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x dx. Integration of cos x is sin x in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Upper limit pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1, minus of lower limit minus pi by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So value of I is 1. 2i is 2, I is 1. So answer fourth option. Now question number 5. Again from integration indefinite. Integral 0 to 1 log 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. Suppose this one is equal to I, and in place of x take tan theta, so that dx is equal to secant square theta d theta. Lower limit, when x is equal to 0, tan theta 0 means theta value is 0. Upper limit, when x is equal to 1, tan theta is 1, theta value pi by 4. log 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. In place of dx, secant square theta d theta, these two gets cancelled. That is equal integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta. Now apply the formula. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Here a is pi by 4. So integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta d theta. That is equal integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan 45 minus theta 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta d theta. That is equal integral 0 to pi by 4. Here logarithm of denominator is 1 plus tan theta and numerator is 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta plus minus cancels 1 plus 1 is 2 d theta. That is equal integral 0 to pi by 4 log a by b log a minus log b. That is equal to log 2 constant integration of d theta between 0 to pi by 4 minus this one is equal to here it's I. Plus bring I left side, I plus I 2I is equal to this is pi by 4 into log 2. Therefore value of I is equal to pi by 4 by 2 pi by 8 log 2. So option A. Question number 6. These from areas. The area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 8x and y is equal to 2x. First one is y square is equal to 8x, a parabola, and y is equal to x, a straight line passing through origin. Parabola is right open parabola, straight line is passing through origin. Their meeting points are O and E. Clearly, origin coordinates 0, 0. Now we have to find the coordinates of A. So solve given these two. Y square 8x is equal to y square value 8x. From here y square value 4x square implies x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2, which implies y is equal to 0 or y is equal to, when x is equal to 2, y value 4, 2 into 2, 4. So first point 0, 0, second point of is 2, 4. So required area A is equal to integral lower limit 0, upper limit 2 into here upper part is parabola, lower part is straight line. So from first curve y value root 8x minus from second y is equal to 2x dx. Root 8 value 2 root 2. Integration of root x, x power 1 by 2. Integration x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 between 0 and 2 minus 2 into integration of x square by 2 between 0 and 2. So this is equal to 2 into 2 4 root 2 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2 means 2 root 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, 2 into 2 4. LCM is 3, 4 into 2 8 into 2 16 minus 3 into 4, 12, which results 4 by 3. So answer, third option C. Question number 7. This is also from areas. The area of region bounded by the line y is equal to 2x plus 1, x-axis, and ordinates x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to plus 1. Straight line is y is equal to 2x plus 1. And in between x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 1. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Y intercept 1, slope 2. These like this point is x value 0, y value 1. And here x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means y value. X equal to 1, y value is 3. X equal to minus 1, y value is minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1, y value minus 1. So the point is here. So we need this area. What about this point? So this one, y is equal to x plus 1, this straight line. At this point, x value is y value is 0. Put y 0, x value minus 1 by 2. So required area is equal to first part, second part. Say A1 plus A2. A1, area of triangle. A1 plus A2. A1, area of this triangle. Half of base 1 by 2 into height 1. A2, area of second triangle. Half of base 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, and height 3. So 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4 means 10 by 4, that is equal to 5 by 2. So answer D. Question number 8. The order of the differential equation obtained by eliminating the arbitrary constants in the family of curves C1 into y is equal to C2 plus C3 into e to the power x plus C4. So y is equal to C2 plus C3 by C1 into e power x into e power C4. Treating all these as an arbitrary constant a into e power x. Only one arbitrary constant, so its order is 1. So answer second option. Number 9. The general solution of the differential equations x squared dy minus 2xy dx is equal to x power 4 cos x dx. So divide this one by x square into dx. So we will get dy by dx minus 2 into 2 by x into y, that is equal to x square cos x divided by x square dx. So these are the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So integrating factor e power integral p of x dx, it means e to the power integral here p of x is minus 2 by x dx. It means e to the power minus 2 constant 1 by x integration log x, that is equal e to the power minus 2 becomes x power log of x power minus 2 log e power log x base value x only. So this is x power minus 2. Now its solution. Y into integral factor is equal to integration of integrating factor into q of x dx. So y into this is x power minus 2 is equal to integral integrating factor x power minus 2 q of x is x square into cos x dx. So that is equal to these two gets cancelled. Integration of cos x sin x plus c, that is value of y is equal to x square sin x plus cx square. So option B. Question number 10. The curve passing through the point 1 comma 2 given that the slope of tangent at any point x comma y is 2x by y represents what? Slope of tangent dy by dx is equal to 2x by y. Separating the variables, 2x dx is equal to y dy. Taking integrals for x square by 2, for y square by 2 plus c. It means x square minus 2x square minus y square is equal to 2c, which is a hyperbola. So option A. Now question number 11. The two vectors I plus j plus k and I plus 3j plus 5k represents the two sides of AB bar and AC bar. Then length of the median through A is length of the median through A. If D is the midpoint of BC, then we want the length of the line AD. Treating the DRs of A are 0, 0, 0 and B 1, 1, 1 and C 1, 3, 5. It's midpoint. 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2, 1 plus 5 by 2. So, AD value, I plus j plus k. So, you want AD length, root of 1 square, 2 square, plus 3 square. It means 9 plus 1, 10, plus 4, 40. So, option is A. Now, question number 12. A bar and B bar are unit vectors. Means mod A is equal to 1 and mod B is equal to 1. And theta is angle between A bar and B bar. Then what is the value of sin theta by 2? Now consider mod A bar minus B bar whole square. Mod A square plus mod B square minus 2 mod A dot B is equal mod A square is 1, mod B square is 1, 2 into A dot B, mod A, mod B, and between AB is theta, so cos theta. 1 plus 1, 2, minus 2 cos theta. 2 common, 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. It means 4 sin square theta by 2. So that value of sin theta by 2 is modulus of a minus b divided by 2. So option D. Now question number 13. If the vectors 2y minus 3j plus 4k, 2y plus j minus k and lambda I minus j plus 2k are coplanar, then value of lambda is. Simple one, determinant of coefficients is 0. So delta of 2 minus 3, 4. 2, 1 minus 1. Lambda minus 1, 2 is equal to 0. Expanding to third row. Expanding along third row. Lambda into 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1 into minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 plus 2 into 2 plus 6. 8 is equal to 0. Take lambda right side. So lambda equal to 16 minus 10, 6. So answer is B. Now question number 14. Mod A cross B whole square plus mod A dot B whole square is equal to 144 and mod A is equal to 6. What about mod B value? What is the formula for A cross B? Mod. Mod A into mod B into sin theta. And this is mod A into mod B into cos theta. So squaring and adding will get A square B square common, remaining sin square plus cos square 1, which is equal to 144. A square value 6 into 6. B square is equal to 144. Cancel 6. 2 times 12, 24. 4 times. Again cancel 6. 4 times. So B is equal to, mod B is equal to 2. Question number 15. The point 1 comma minus 3 comma 4 lies in the octet. One is a direct question. Here signs are plus, minus, plus lies in fourth octet. Question number 16. If a line makes an angle pi by 3 with each of x and y axis, then the acute angle made by it by z axis is. So, question from 3-dimensional geometry, alpha is equal to pi by 3 and beta is equal to pi by 3. What about gamma? Formula. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Cos 60, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So cos square gamma is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So cos gamma is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2 acute angle. So 45 degrees. So option is B. Now question number 17. The distance of the point 1, 2, minus 4. Point is 1, 2, minus 4 from the line x minus 3 by 2 is equal to y minus 3 by 3 is equal z plus 5 by 6 is. We want distance of the point from this line. Suppose point is P, this is its foot F. We want PF. Any point on the line is 3 comma 3 comma minus 5. Its direction ratios are 2, 3, 6. Equate all this to lambda. So x minus 3 by 2 is lambda. X minus 3 is 2 lambda. X value 2 lambda plus 3. Similarly, y is equal to 3 lambda plus 3 and z is equal to 6 lambda minus 5. Suppose these are the coordinates of f. 2 lambda plus 3, 3 lambda plus 3, 6 lambda minus 5. PF is perpendicular to the line L. So PF dot L is equal to 0. So drs of PF 2 lambda plus 3 minus 1, 2 lambda plus 2 into 2 plus for PF 3 lambda plus 3 minus 2, 3 lambda plus 1 into 3 plus 6 lambda minus 5 plus 4, 6 lambda minus 1 into 6 is equal to 0. So 4 lambda plus 9 lambda plus 36 lambda here. 4 plus 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. 4 plus 3 7 minus 6 is 1. Here 36 plus 4 40 plus 9 49 lambda. So value of lambda is minus 1 by 49. Substitute lambda value here. Therefore, value of f is coordinates of f are substituting lambda value here. We will get coordinates of f. F coordinates are 145 by 49, 144 by 49 minus 251 by 49. So we want to P of them. Distance function root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So 145 by 49 minus 1, which results 96 by 49 whole square. 144 by 49 minus 2 whole square, which results 46 by 49 whole square. Similarly, last one is 55 by 49 whole square. That is equal root of denominator is 49 whole square, numerator 96 whole square, 9216 plus 46 whole square, 2116 and 55 whole square is 3025. It means numerator value 14357 divided by 49 into 49. Cancel this. You will get root of 293 by 49. It means root 293 divided by 7. So option is C. Number 18. The sine of the angle between the straight line x minus 2 divided by 3 is equal 3 minus y divided by minus 4 is equal z minus 4 divided by 5, and the plane 2x minus 2y plus z is equal to 5. So write the equation of line in standard form. Take minus common, y minus 3 divided by 4, that is equal z minus 4 by 5. So 3, 4, 5 and 2 minus 1, 1. 3, 4, 5, 2 minus 2, 1. These are the DRs parallel to this line, and 2 minus 1 plus 1. DRs perpendicular to the plane. So, angle between these two, formula A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. It means 3 into 2, 6, 4 into minus 2, minus 8, 5 into 1 divided by root 9 plus 16 plus 25 into root 4 plus 4 plus 1. 6, 7, 8, remaining is 3 divided by this value is 15. 15 means 5 root 2. This value is 3. Cancel these two. 1 by 5 root 2 or root 2 by 10. So option A. Given question is x plus y is equal to 5. Second line, x plus 3y is equal to 9. This is the graph. Clearly, their point of intersection. Subtract these two. 2y is equal to 4, y value 2. If y is equal to, x value is 3. And remaining corner points, B, at B, x value 0, y value 5. At C, x value 0 and y value is 3. So at corner points A, 3 comma 2, value of z is 33 plus 14, 47. At B, 0 comma 3, z value is 0 plus 21. At C, 0 comma 5, that is equal 0 plus 35, 35. So maximum algebraic at 3 comma 2. So option A. Now question number 20. Corner points of the feasible region determined by the system of linear constraints are 0, 3, 1, 1 and 3, 0. 0, 3, 1, 1 and 3, 0. Let z is equal to px plus qy. P comma q are positive. Minimum values occurs at 3, 0 and 1, 1. 3, 0, 1, 1. Then relation between P and Q. So at 3, 0, this becomes z is equal to 3. At 1, 1, this becomes z is equal to P plus Q. Solving these two. 3p is equal to p plus q, 2p is equal to q, or p is equal to q by 2. So option C. Question number 21. A comma B are independent. A comma B are two events such that P of A is 1 by 3. And the equal to 1 by 6. Then what is the value of P of A dash given B? Probability of A intersection B is 1 by 6 given, means 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, nothing but probability of A into probability of A. It means these two are independent events. So occurrence of A and B are independent. So it doesn't depend on B. It means 1 minus probability of A. 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. So answer is option B. Question number 22. Question from probability. If a die is thrown 10 times, n is equal to 10. The probability that an odd number will come up at least one time. So probability of odd number is equal to 1 by 2. Even number 1 by 2. Chances are 50-50. So we need the probability of at least 1. At least once means 1 time or 2 times or 3 times or all the times. So we can write as 1 minus probability of no time. It means 1 minus all are even numbers. So probability of even number is 1 by 2. All means 10 times. It means 1 minus 1 by 2 over 10. 1024. Nothing but 1023 by 1024. So answer is C, third option. Now question number 23. The probability of solving a problem by 3 persons capital A, capital B and capital C independently is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 respectively. Then the probability of the problem is solved by any two of them. Given probability of A is 1 by 2, probability of B is 1 by 4 and probability of C is 1 by 3. We need probability of the problem is solved by any two. Probability of any two. It means problem was solved by A and B but not by C. Similarly, probability of A, probability of B bar, probability of C, and probability of A bar, probability of B, and probability of C. So probability of A solved by A and by B but not solved by C. Solved by A, not solved by B. Solved by C. Not solved by A. Solved by B. Solved by C. So LCM 2 into 4 into 3. Eliminated 2 plus 3 plus 1, which results 6 by 2 into 4 into 3. Cancel this 1 by 4. So option C. Number 25. A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the number of subsets of A which contains at least 2 elements. Is equal to total number of subsets minus subsets with one element minus subsets with no elements. Total number of subsets is 2 power 6 minus singleton sets 6 minus null set 1, 2 power 6. 64 minus 6 minus 1. So answer is 57. Number 26. If n of a equal to 2 and the total number of possible relations from set A to set B is 1024, then number of elements in B. Given n of A is equal to 2, you have to find number of elements in B and the number of relations from A to B 1024. Number of relations from 2 power number of elements in A into number of elements in B, that is equal to here 1024 given. 2 power 2 into number of elements in B is equal to 2 power 10. Base equal powers. Number of elements in B is equal to 5, which is option A. Now question number 27. Sin square 51 degrees plus sin square 39 degrees is equal to, when sum of angles is 90 degrees, then sin square A plus sin square B value 1. Here A plus B is 90, so answer is directly 1. Now question number 28. Tan A plus cot A is equal to 2. Then what is the value of tan power 4A plus cot power 4A? Here tan A, cot A means 1 by tan A, number plus its reciprocal. Express right here also 2, 1 plus 1 by 1, it means value of tan A is 1. So 1 plus 1, answer is 2. So option is D. Number 29. The statement 2 power n is less than n factorial. Then the smallest positive integer for which P of n is 2 is, for n equal to 1, is 2 is 1, wrong. N is equal to 2, this becomes 4, this becomes 2 only, wrong. N is equal to 3, this becomes 8, this becomes 6, again wrong. So let us try for n is equal to 4. Left hand side is 2 power 4, 16. Right hand side is factorial 4. It means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 6 into 4, 20. So true. So answer is 4. So option D. Question number 30. If z is equal to x plus iy, then the equation mod z plus 1 is equal to mod z minus 1 represents. Here z is x plus iy, real part is x plus 1, imaginary part is y. So modulus of x plus 1 plus iy is equal to modulus of x minus 1 plus iy mod a plus b root a square plus b square. So this is x plus 1 whole square plus y square, and this is x minus 1 whole square plus y square when you make squaring on both sides. So cancelling y square, x plus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square results 480. 4xy equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. Think what? Y axis. So option is first option. Now question number 31. 16c9 plus 16c10 minus 16c6 minus 16c7. Which one is a simple question? We know that NCR is equal NCR minus R. Binomial quotients are numerically equal from left beginning and end. So 16c9 is equal to 16 minus 9 means 7. So these two are same, cancel. 16c10 is equal to 16 minus 10, 6. Cancel these two. So answer is 0. Question number 32. The number of terms in the expansion of x plus y plus z to the power 10 is. So this is a trinomial. Number of terms formula. N plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. N is 10, r is 3, minus 1, it means 12 c2. 12 into 11 by 2, 66. So option B. Question number 33. If the sum of n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to n square plus n, then the common difference of the AP is, we know common difference is the difference between any two successive terms of an AP. So Sn is m square plus n minus Sn minus 1 is n minus 1 whole square plus n minus 1. Cancel n here, cancel n square, remaining 2n, and here this is 1 minus 1 here plus 1 gets cancelled, and the d common difference is difference between any two successive terms, and any term can get by subtracting successive summations. Tn, 2n, tn minus 1, 2 into n minus 1, 2 into n cancel, answer 2. So option D. Question number 36. The two lines Lx plus My is equal to n, and L dash x plus m dash y is equal to n dash are perpendicular if its slope m1 is equal to minus a to b. So and the slope of second line minus L dash by m dash. Two lines perpendicular, then product of slopes minus 1. Minus L by m minus L dash by m dash is equal to minus 1. L dash is equal to minus m dash. So L dash plus m dash is equal to 0. So the option is B. Now question number 37. The parabola x square is equal to 4ay is passing through the point 2, 1. Then length of its later section Substitute x is equal to y equal to 1. 4 is equal to 4a. So length of lattice rectangle 4a. Value 4. So option C. Now question number 36. These from limits. Limit extends to 0. Tan x divided by root of 2x plus 4 minus 2. First of all, rationalize the denominator with the 2x plus 4 plus 2. That is equal, limit extends to 0, tan x divided by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square into, separate the limit. Limit extends to 0, root of 2x plus 4 plus 2. That is equal, limit extends to 0, tan x by 2x into, substitute 0, root 4 is 2 plus 2. This is 1 by 2 into tan x by x 1, 2 plus 2 4. That is equal to 2. So option B. 7. A direct question. The negation of the statement for all real numbers x comma y. For all real numbers x comma y. X plus y is equal y plus x. For this negation. So if it is P, negation of P is for all x comma y belongs to R, x plus y is not equal to y plus x only. So clearly option is B. Now question number 38. The standard deviation of the data 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is given data 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First, its mean. 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 divided by 6 divided by 5. 10, 19 is 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 6, 31 plus 9, 40 by 5, 8. We need standard deviation. That is standard deviation formula under root sigma I is equal to 1 to n x bar minus xi whole square divided by n means under root xi minus x bar minus xi 8 minus 6 2 square 8 minus 7 1 square 8 minus 8 0 square 8 minus 9 minus 1 square 8 minus 10 minus 2 square divided by n is 5. 4 plus 1 5 10. So I'll use root 2. Option is B. 39. This from probability. A, B, C are three mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. And P of A is equal to 2 into P of B. That is equal to 3 into P of C. Then what is P of B? When they are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C, that is equal to 1. Given condition, probability of A is equal to 2 into probability of B is equal to 3 into probability of C. We need value of probability of B. So express P P of A and P of C in terms of P of B. So P of A in terms of P of B, 2 times of probability of B. So second one as it is, third probability of C, 2/3 of probability of B is equal to 1. So numerator is 3, 2 plus 1 3, 3 into 3 9 plus 2 11. So the probability of B is equal to 3 by 11. Option D. Question number 40. If a relation R is on set 1, 2, 3, be defined as R is equal to set of 1 comma 1. Then R is, here it contains 1 1. What about 2 2 3 3? These two does not belong to R. So clearly it is not a reflexive. So option B, option C contains reflexive. So option is either A or D. How about transitive? 1 1, it is transitive, reflexive, symmetric. So clearly option is symmetric and transitive, D. Why? Because A contains only symmetric. This is symmetric, also reflexive, transitive, only this one. That's why option is D. Now question number 41. F maps closed interval 2 to open infinity be a function defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. Then the range of f is, this can be written as x minus 2 whole square plus 1. 5 can be written as 4 plus 1. So x minus 2 whole square plus 1. Always this gives a positive or 0 only. Square of number is either positive or 0. So this is always greater than or equal to 0 plus 1. So greater than or equal to 1. So answer is one to infinity. Option C. Number 42. If A is equal set of ABC, then the number of binary operations on A. Direct question. A is equal set of ABC. So number of elements 3. So number of binary operations. Formula n power n square, 3 power 3 square, 3 power 9. Option A. Question number 43. The domain of the function f of x is equal cos inverse under root x minus 1. We need domain. Basically, domain of square root function is positive or 0. So x must be greater than or equal to 1. First condition. And inside cos inverse x, it must be less than or equal to 1. So x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. So x less than or equal to 2. Finally, x belongs to 1 to 2 closed interval, which is given in option B. And question number 44. Cos of sin inverse pi by 3 plus cos inverse pi by 3. Simple direct question. Cos of its value is pi by 2, cos 90 is 0, is given in option B. And question number 45. A matrix A is given 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. What about a power 4? Value of a square is a into a. You multiply. Zero zero one. Which is equal to I. A square value I. So a power 4. A square into a square. I into I. I. Option is D. Number 46. A comma B are square matrices of same order and B is skew symmetric. Means B dash is equal minus B. Then what about A dash B A? What about A dash B A? Suppose C is equal to required. C dash is equal to A dash B A whole dash, whole transpose. A B C whole transpose. What are that? C transpose, B transpose, A transpose. So A into A dash into B dash into A dash whole dash. A dash into B dash means minus B. A dash whole dash is A minus A dash B A. Nothing but C minus C. C dash is equal to minus C. So skew symmetric matrix. It means option A. Question number 47. If 2-bit matrix 2 1 3 2 into A is equal 1 0 0 1, then the inverse of then A is A value. Pre-multiplying by its inverse. 2 1 3 2 inverse into 1 0 0 1. So its value. Inverse of A B C D 2-bit matrix. What is the formula? 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus C A. 1 by AD 1 BC 4 minus 3 D minus B minus C A into 1 0 0 1. This is 1. There is identity matrix which results 2 minus 1 minus 3 2. So option is C. Now question number 48. F of x is equal determinant of trigonometric matrix x square minus x a plus x b plus x. X minus a x square minus x c plus x. X minus b x minus c x square minus x. Then options f of minus 1, f of 1, f of 2, f of 0 values given. First, let us verify f of 0. This becomes 0 a b minus a 0 c minus b minus c 0. Matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix of odd order 3 by 3. Determinant value 0. So option D. 49. A1, A2, A3 and so on, A9 are in AP. Then the value of A1, A2, A3 and so on, A9 are in AP. Then the value of determinant of A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. A3 means properties common difference. A2 minus A1 is equal, A3 minus A2 is equal, and so on. A9 minus A8 is equal to, suppose P, common difference. So here, operating R2 minus R1, R3 minus R2. A2 minus A1, D. A5 minus A4, D. A3 minus A2, D. Two rows are equal. Determinant value 0. So option is D. Why? Because D contains logarithm of log E base E. Log E base E is 1. Log 1 is 0. Question number 50. A is a square matrix of order 3 and that A is equal to 5. What is determinant of A into adjoint A? Determinant of AB. Determinant of A into determinant of B. That A is 5. Determinant of adjoint A. That A whole square, because order is 3. It means 5 into 5 square, which results 125. Given in option C. 51. F of x is equal, first case, 1 minus cos kx divided by x sin x, when x is not equal to 0, and 1 by 2 when x is equal to 0. What is value of k? If it is continuous at x equal to 0, continuous, so functional value is equal limiting value. Functional value 1 by 2 for limiting value. Limit x tends to 0, f of x. 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by x into sin x. So 1 by 2 is equal to limit x tends to 0, 2. In place of sin square kx by 2, can write kx by 2 only. In place of sin x, can write x only. So cancel this. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into k square by 4. Cancel these two and these two. K square is equal to 1. So k is plus or minus 1, which is given in option A. The right hand and left hand limit of the function f of x is equal to e power 1 by x minus 1 by e power 1 by x plus 1 when x is not equal to 0. 0 when x is equal to 0. We need the right hand limit, right hand, left hand. RHL means limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. E power 1 by x minus 1 by e power 1 by x plus 1. When x tends to 0 plus, 1 by x becomes infinity, converting values from infinite to finite. So, dividing by e power 1 by x. 1 minus e power minus 1 by x by 1 plus e power minus 1 by x. Now, when x tends to 0 plus, this becomes infinity, this becomes minus infinity. It means 1 by infinity, value is 0. Now, left hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. That is equal limit x tends to 0 minus e power 1 by x minus 1 by e power 1 by x plus 1. X tends to 0 minus negative value. This becomes minus infinity. 1 by e power infinity. 1 by is 0. So 0 minus 1 by 0 plus 1 minus 1. Right hand limit 1, left hand limit minus 1. Option is C. Question number 53. If 2 power x plus 2 power y is equal to 2 power x plus y, then the value of dy by dx is 2 power x plus 2 power y is equal to 2 power x into 2 power y. So 2 power x is equal to, take right side and count, 2 power y into 2 power x minus 1. So 2 power y is equal to 2 power x divided by 2 power x minus 1. That is equal, subtracting and adding 1. 2 power x minus 1 by 2 power x minus 1 plus 1 by 1 by 2 power x minus 1. Now differentiating with respect to x. A power x derivative is a power x log a. So for 2 power y log 2 into dy by x. For 1, 0. 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. And now its derivative for 2 power x. 2 power x log 2. Cancel log 2. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 power x minus 1 into 2 power x by 2 power y. That is equal to minus, from this 2 power x by, from this 2 power x by 2 power y value, 2 power x minus 1. So substitute here, 1 by 2 power x minus 1 means 2 power x by 2 power y whole square. Here 2 power x by 2 power y. Cancel whole square in this one. Minus 2 power x by 2 power y is 2 power x minus y. By numerator 2 power y minus x. It is given in option C. 54. If f of x is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square, then f dash of root 3 is equal to, first of all, its value. This formula for 2 tan inverse x. So its derivative for tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. Put x equal root 3. 2 by 1 plus 3. 2 by 4, 1 by 2. It is given in option C. 55. If x into e whole power y is equal to e power x, then what about dy by dx? First operating logarithm. Then y into log x plus log e base a1 is x into log e base a1. So that y is equal to x by 1 plus log x. Now differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx. Derivative of u by v du minus u dv divided by v square. That is equal to 1 plus log x minus x cancel 1 by 1 plus log x whole square. 1 cancel, remaining log x by 1 plus log x whole square. Number 56. If y is equal to 2 into x to the power n plus 1 plus 3 by x power n, then x square into d square y by dx square is equal to, first differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx value x power n into x to the power minus 1 is 3 x power minus n, again differentiating for y d square y by dx square 2 into n plus 1 into for this n x power minus 1 minus n minus 1 x power minus n minus 2, that is equal to 2 into n plus 1 into x power n divided by x plus 3 into n plus 1 into 1 by x power n into 1 by x square, multiplying both sides by x square. So x square d square by dx square is equal to 2n plus 1 into x to the power n plus 1 plus 3n plus 1 into 1 by x power. Now common is n into n plus 1, remaining 2 into x power n plus 1 plus 3 by x power n. So n into n plus 1 into y is given in option C. Question number 57. If the curves 2x is equal to y square and 2xy is equal to k intersect perpendicularly, then value of k square is, two curves given intersecting perpendicularly. So we have to find the point of intersections. On solving them, in place of 2x write y square into y cube is equal to k. So y is equal to k to the power 1 by 3. When y is equal to k power 1 by 3, x value is 2 becomes 1 by 2 right side, y square k power 2 by 3. So point of intersection is k power 2 by 3 by 2 comma k power 1 by 3. Now they are intersecting at right angles perpendicularly. So differentiating 2x is equal to y square with respect to x, 2 is equal to 2y dy by dx. Cancel these two. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. So slope of tangent m1 is equal to dy by dx at the point of intersection 1 by y k power 1 by 3. Now differentiating second curve, 2xy is equal to k with respect to x, 2 into x into derivative of y divided by dx plus 2 into y derivative of x1 is equal to 0. 2 common cancel. So dy by dx value minus y by x. Therefore slope of tangent m2 is equal to minus y value k power 1 by 3, x value k power 2 by 3 by 2, means numerator 2. Curves intersecting at right angles. So slope of tangents is product of slope of tangents minus m1 value 1 by k power 1 by 3, m2 value minus 2 k power 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 2 divided by k minus 1. Cancel these two. Minus minus cancel. 2 is equal to k power 2 by 3. So 8 is equal to k square. We need k square only. Value 8 just given in option A. So 58. The maximum value of log x divided by x when x is positive is to find out maximum or minimum equate to first derivative to 0. Derivative of v by v du minus u dv by v square. It means 1 minus log x by x square. So if it is 0, then 1 minus log x is 0. Log x value 1, x value e. So we need a maximum value of f of x is equal to f of e, that is log e by e, 1 by e. Given in option 4. 59. If the side of a cube is increased by 5%, percentage error in side of a cube is 5%. Then the surface area of the cube increased by percentage error in surface area of the cube is equal to area a square. For cube 6 sides, 6a square. Always percentage error in area is 2 times the percentage error in side. If question is given for volume, power 3 times, area 2 times. So clearly we will find 10%. Now question number 16. This is from integrals. Integral 1 plus x power 4 by 1 plus x power 6 dx. 1 plus x power 4. Denominator is factors. 1 cube x square whole cube. 1 cube x square whole cube. A cube plus b cube. A plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. So here what is missing? X square. So subtracting x square, adding x square. Now separate. 1 plus x power 4 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4 minus x square dx plus integral x square by the whole value is 1 plus x power 6. X power 6 means x cube whole square. Now cancel these two. Integral dx by 1 plus x square plus integral x cube here x square dx. Substitution is put x cube is equal to 3x square dx is dt. So here x square dx is 1/3 of dt and that is 1 plus t square. So for this formula tan inverse x and for this formula tan inverse t plus c. So final answer tan inverse x plus 1/3 of tan inverse x cube plus c. It was given in third.